Hi, this is Mark Almond at AlpsAV with the ISE Show 2020 in Amsterdam. I want to show people our soft touch mount. Has central X arms. The benefit with central X arms is you don't get wobble as you drive the screen back in. You can simply push it in, it stays parallel to the wall, and you won't strike adjacent screens. We also here have the no touch mount. Place the controller underneath. You can drive the screen out. Stop simply by moving the controller left or right. If you swipe through, you'll hear 2 beeps as in, 3 beeps, it'll continue to move out. I can stop at any time. I can drive in. And again, with both of these products, you have full XYZ axis adjustment. This is mounted either on Unistrut or direct to the wall. For more information, please look us up at AlpsAV.com.